Hi everyone. Today I wanted to talk about the RA-13, and this is a shelf kit for enclosed trailers, okay? This kit, it doesn't come with the lumber, okay? It comes with 4 of these uprights, and they look like this. You can see them installed right here. And it comes with these beam pockets, okay? Now these beam pockets accept a 2x4, which fits in and makes a really strong beam. Now, you do have to supply your own lumber, so you get a sheet of plywood. I recommend getting a piece of cardboard and making a nice template, because most of these trailers have a curved front. And that way you can mimic the curve on the plywood and get a nice tight fitting shelf. Now, we've also used a little piece of trim lumber here to make a lip so things don't fall off. And you can see this example right here. We got this catcher on here, and of course it can deal with that weight, no problem. One other important point of this kit: no legs from the bottom up, nothing to run into to knock this thing off. This all works on our standard hook system that hooks into the top header of the trailer. Very strong. Now, of course, it can hold grass catchers, but it can hold all kinds of things like coolers, like backpack sprayers, gas cans of different varieties, of course, your backpack blowers, all kinds of equipment. But here's another use. You can also use it for things like a bunk bed. Like my best employee, sleeping on the job. Hey, we gotta cut lawns. Come on. No. Come on.